Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you tips to protect your data and privacy while using Google Gemini. Okay, let's get into it guys. Google Gemini now become a trending application because a lot of people use Nano Banana AI on Gemini to generate photo. For example, AI Polaroid photo and then unrealistic photo and so on. And maybe some of you are worried about your data because we need to upload our photo if we want to edit our photo in Gemini. And no worries guys, in this tutorial, I'm going to give you tips to protect your data and privacy. So I recommend you to turn off your activity on Gemini. You can go to this menu and then you can go to the settings and help and go to activity. All your activities are recorded here guys, and here you can turn off your activity. I have already turned it off. So if you want to turn off, just click on turn off here. When your activity is on, it will say on, and you just need to click on turn off. And your activity will be removed after 72 hours. And here you can also activate the auto delete activity. And here I have already activated auto delete activity older than 3 months. So my data will be removed after 3 months. Okay. And click on done. And okay guys, that's all the tips from me to protect your data and privacy on Gemini. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.